scheduled caste community, and she is a lady. A scheduled caste lady becoming chief secretary of any state. It did not happen after 68 years of independence. And from our Andhra Pradesh, from scheduled caste community, Madhika community, one lady became chief secretary of a state. All Andhra Pradesh people should be proud of her. BJP has given ticket to Ratna Prabha Garu, and Janasena is supporting her. And what YCP has done? Jagana Sevak candidate, BJP Janasena candidate, Janam Sevak. Janam Janardhana Luka Sevak. 37 years of service she served people. She is a Janam Sevak. And Janam Sevak is BJP candidate, Janasena candidate. And Jagan Sevak is YCP candidate. And that is why people have to select between these two. And I am confident that Bharatiya Janata Party and Janasena candidate will become victorious. But for that, all of us should work hard in coming days. Tomorrow, our great hero Pawan Kalyan Garu is coming to Tirupati. So everyone, today itself, talk to all your friends, relatives staying in Tirupati area. Work hard, and every supporter of Pawan Kalyan Garu should come on street and to see and to say hi and to listen from Pawan Kalyan Garu tomorrow. It is your all Karyakartas of Kapu Sankshema Samiti and Sena Samiti. Sena and Janasena Karyakartas, it is our duty. We are going to gather. You also work hard to gather the people. No need of doing anything. Only give message that Pawan Kalyan Garu is coming. That is sufficient. It will be difficult for people to control the popularity of our leader. And that is why today I really thank all these Kapu Sankshema Sena, the Karyakartas, leaders. I wish you all the best. And I hope that our dreams, whatever is our dream, that dream will be fulfilled only by Bharatiya Janata Party Janasena Alliance. And we are committed to fulfill dreams of Andhra Pradesh people. And that is why
all the people, Kapu, Barja in BC.
What is this?
Including Kapus and Barjas and BC.
So, again one time, Jai Jaykar. Randu Chetulu Paikatti. Inkokasari. Randu Chetulu Paikatti. Gattiga Chepandi. Pawan Kalyan Gari Nayakatvam. Pawan Kalyan Gari Nayakatvam. Narendra Modi Gari Nayakatvam. Jai BJP Janasena. Jai BJP Janasena. Bharat Mata Ki. Yedukondalavada Venkatarmana. Govinda. 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 Jai Shri. To make you clear that Bharatiya Janata Party is a nationalist organization, and for Bharatiya Janata Party all castes are equal. We cannot talk about a particular caste because it is a nationalist party. Definitely our party believes in Hindutva, and when we say Hindutva, we are not at all against Christians, we are not at all against Muslims or any other way of worship. Our Hindutva means Sarve pi Sukhina Santu, Sarve Sattu Niramayaha, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhave. It means Narendra Modi ji says, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas. That is what Hindutva of Bharatiya Janata Party. And I am proud to tell you, my interactions with Pawan Kalyan Garu, we discussed hours, many times, and I can definitely tell you that in all South Indian states, if there is one single popular nationalist leader, other than Bharatiya Janata Party, obviously, nationalist leader, if there is any one single popular nationalist leader in South India, he is Pawan Kalyan. And that is why really I like him, definitely I love him, and I know that crores of Andhra Pradesh people, apart from Kapu community, what I have found in Andhra Pradesh, across all communities, there is popularity of Pawan Kalyan Garu. Across all castes, they love Pawan Kalyan Garu. Of course, Kapus love more. That I can understand. It is obvious. My dear brothers and sisters, we are heading for one by-election in Tirupati. And there are three parties majorly contesting for this by-election. I always say in Telugu, Andhra Pradesh రాష్ట్రంలో రెండు రాష్ట్ర పార్టీలు ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటే టీడీపీ పార్టీ, రెండవది వైఎస్ఆర్సీపీ పార్టీ. ఈ రెండు పార్టీలు అవినీతి పార్టీలే, రెండు పార్టీలు కుటుంబం పార్టీలు. భారతీయ జనతా పార్టీ మాత్రమే అవినీతి పార్టీ కాదు, కుటుంబం పార్టీ కాదు. అదేవిధంగా జనసేన పార్టీ కూడా అవినీతి పార్టీ కాదు, కులతత్వ పార్టీ కాదు, कुटुंबम पार्टी कादू. आंध्र प्रदेश राष्ट्र के स्टेट के 6 करोड़ नागरिकों के लिए ये गठबंधन है. वाईसीपी और टीडीपी ये दोनों दोंगालू पार्टियां हैं, दोंगालू पार्टी. Many times I have said that former Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has committed so many crimes, corruptions. So whoever has committed corruption, one day will come that that person will have to be prosecuted. And the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is out on bail. आंध्र प्रदेश के अभी के मुख्यमंत्री बेल पर बाहर घूम रहे हैं. And that is why the leaders of YCP party should remember, while talking or tweeting on social media, that many of them are out on bail and anytime their bail can be cancelled. And that is why बहुत ज्यादा हवा में उड़ने की जरूरत नहीं. ज्यादा हवा में उड़ेंगे तो अत्तार इंटी की दारिणी में पवन कल्याण ने गाना गाया है, हवा में उड़ता जाए मेरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का. डोंट ट्राई टू फाइट विथ बीजेपी जनसेना. If you try to fight, if you try to attack, if you try to show your rowdyism to Bharatiya Janata Party and Janasena कार्यकर्ता leaders, फैन भी हवा में उड़ जाएगा. और इनका कौन सा है? इनका कौन सा है? साइकिल तो irrelevant हो गई. See, cycle has become irrelevant. देखिए, there is a say in English, he came, he saw and he won. There is a say in English. Actually, when I think about former Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu garu, few days back he came to Tirupati airport and he was not allowed